Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of portable monitors, and I've got something special for you. It's the KYY portable monitor, touted as the best companion for your laptop, and I'm here to tell you why. Picture this. You're on the go, working from your laptop, and suddenly you realize you need more screen real estate. Enter the KYY portable monitor, your trusty sidekick for productivity on the move. This sleek and slim 15.6-inch monitor packs a punch with its full HD 1080p resolution, giving you crystal clear visuals wherever you go. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or catching up on your favorite Netflix series, this monitor delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Now, let's talk features. The KYY portable monitor is not just about looks, it's about functionality too. With two USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and smartphones to gaming consoles like PS4 and Xbox. And the best part? No drivers needed. Just plug and play. But wait, there's more. The KYY portable monitor comes bundled with everything you need to get started, including a smart cover that doubles as a stand, USB-C and HDMI cables, and even a screen protector film. Talk about convenience. So, whether you're a digital nomad, a freelance designer, or a hardcore gamer, the KYY portable monitor has got you covered. It's lightweight, it's versatile, and it's ready to elevate your mobile computing experience to the next level. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the hottest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy shopping!